God bless, yo. Queen.
Hey Sue gang, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and we back at it with another video, and of course I'm finna jump right in. So we got our colossal shrimp and we're gonna go ahead and devein them and peel the tail off of them. Like y'all already know, I'm not leaving the tail on because like I want to bite my whole shrimp and get it over with, you know. But let's get it. Okay, so our shrimp is clean and deveined. So I'm just rinsing off the extra little stuff, and you want them a little dry or whatnot. But we got the Hooter wing bread and sauce, and as you can see, you can try it on shrimp, veggies, fish, or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my shrimp with some seasoning salt and garlic powder. Y'all know my favorite two seasonings. Now we're gonna go in with the breading from Hooters. Y'all, I got this from Walmart, and I seen it in the aisle. It was on clearance, as you seen the little yellow. I forgot how much it was though, but yeah, I picked it up from Walmart. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that on the shrimp, and then after that, you are going to need an egg. This is just what I do to get, you know, the egg, give it that extra crunch. So you're gonna go ahead and whip your egg, and then you're gonna put your shrimp in the egg and coat it with the egg, and then we're gonna add a little more of the bread into our bowl and mix it up, and then we're gonna set the shrimp in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and I'll be back. I was gonna say, if y'all haven't been to Hooters, go and try their buffalo shrimp, but I'm teaching y'all how to do it right here at home, so get her done. Y'all, they so good. Oh my god, like I can eat all these by myself. I don't even want to share with Woo.
Think he's still leave you alone.
Okay, so our 15 minutes is up. This is what they look like, still the same. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it off into the deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, you always can use your pot, you know. So you're gonna cook these for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so the shrimp are ready. Do y'all see how flaky they are? So you know that crunch is gonna be real. So y'all, I forgot to get some sauce, so I was so happy that I still had some of this from Buffalo Wild Wings. I actually got this from Walmart as well. So we're gonna use that buffalo sauce. We're gonna put it in a bowl and mix it up. And y'all, I know fish don't go with this meal, but I had it out already and it was time to cook, so be quiet.
Damn.
Oh my god, y'all. On this part, I was so dead. Look at that little ass tease I gave him. Oh my god. And then listen to what I say at the end.
Face tastes just like this. Fuck it. Damn.
What? What happened?
That shit tastes so good. I'm trying to get you to taste what I taste, but you can't have the shrimp though.
Yeah, so I gave him a shrimp, and Woo is really like so funny. Listen to him, y'all.
Have me taste.
This shit ain't even fair, bro. These motherfuckers so good. Babe.
Say this ain't even fair.
Damn, man, this one ain't had no sauce. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. The beef definitely gotta be again.
I'm glad I got the colossal shrimp.
We got to do these again. We might have to do these tomorrow.
Ah, I got another bag of shrimp too.
Oh, these are.
They so good, babe.
Mmm. Mmm.
Who else get excited and dance when they about to get ready and eat? Yeah, I swear I'm a face ass, but look at how good these look. Ooh, they crunchy and saucy. Oh my god. And y'all know your girl have to be so extra with the plates and everything. Y'all see the little chives on the side. I ain't gonna eat them, but if y'all make these, make sure y'all tag me. Polo, be quiet, baby. But yes, that's all I have. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'm out. Love you guys. Mwah. Peace.
These ain't never all the fries.
No.
Oh.